Most people see a toy. But an ultra-high net worth individual? They see a vehicle for wealth preservation. Welcome to Hobby Entertainment Channel. How are you? Are everything good? Today we are not just talking about cars. We're talking about the asset class mindset. Why do the world's elite choose specific assets? Is it for the thrill, or is it for the compounding interest of a timeless classic? The difference between a collector and an investor is their relationship with time. The ultra-wealthy are protective of their minutes. They do not chase hype, they identify value. In front of me sit two titans, the Nissan Skyline GT-R R34 Z-Tune No. 1, the king of scarcity, and the Toyota Alphard No. 43, the king of market dominance. Let's start with the legend. Look at the front. Tomica Premium has captured the aggressive Nismo bumpers with surgical precision. The material is heavy-duty die-cast zinc alloy, giving it that cold industrial feel. The side profile? Notice the Z-Tune silver. It's not just paint, it's a high-gloss finish that mimics the original KY0 color code. The wheels are the iconic Nismo LM-GT4s in black. On the rear, we have the signature 4-ring taillights, rendered in clear red plastic, not just painted dots. The base clearly displays the Nissan official license, a legal moat that ensures this asset's authenticity. The R34 represents scarcity value. Only 20 real Z-Tunes exist. In an investment portfolio, this is your high-growth tech stock. It's rare, it's coveted, and it's a hedge against inflation. Successful people invest in things that cannot be easily replicated. If everyone can have it, the ultra-wealthy don't want it. Now, we shift from the track to the boardroom. This is the Black Edition. The front grille is a masterpiece of molding. Chrome-plated plastic integrated into the die-cast body. It's massive. It's intimidating. From the side, you see the sheer scale. This is a heavy model, folks. The moving parts feature here is the sliding door. It operates with a satisfying mechanical resistance. It's not loose. It does not. The interior shows the executive captain seats. On the base, you see the Toyota Motor Corporation licensing, proving its heritage. The top features the twin sunroof detailing, reflecting the global trend of luxury through light. The Alphard represents market dominance. It owns the luxury MPV segment. In finance, this is your blue chip. It's the Coca-Cola of cars. It provides a steady, predictable return because it has no real competition. Billionaires love the Alphard because it's a fortress, a stable foundation that allows them to take risks elsewhere. talk about the strategy of time. The ultra-rich don't check their portfolio every 5 minutes. They buy the R34 or the Alphard, and they wait. They understand compounding. While the crowd is busy flipping cheap toys for a $5 profit, the investor is holding these Tomica Premium units for a decade. Why? Because these models are timeless classics. They don't rely on a temporary movie trend or a social media fad. They are rooted in automotive history. Every minute you spend chasing a fad is a minute stolen from your legacy. So here is the choice. Do you go for the #1 R34, the sharp surgical weapon of scarcity, or the #43 Alphard, the massive, unshakable symbol of dominance? The asset class mindset isn't about the price of the diecast. It's about the philosophy of the owner. High-end investors look for quality, the diecast material, the licensing, the moving parts, because quality survives the test of time. Stop buying toys. Start acquiring assets. I'm Hobby Entertainment Channel. This is the museum of the future. Do not just watch the market, be the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Until next time.